Now, another news that is coming in from Jammu and Kashmir, where multiple blasts have been heard in Srinagar as well. Houses and property have been damaged in Rajouri after continuous Pakistani artillery attacks. Similarly, loud blasts were heard in Udhampur. Smoke was seen rising, followed by air raid sirens. Additional District Development Commissioner Rajkumar Thapa has been killed in the heavy shelling in Rajouri, as Pakistan continuously hits civilian areas. Multiple explosions are also being reported from the Pakistani side aimed at Pathankot in Punjab. Indian armed forces successfully have been thwarting all of these attacks. This as Pakistan continues its reckless, indiscriminate shelling on civilian areas and infrastructures. This is the news that we're getting at the moment. There have been multiple reports coming out of Jammu and Kashmir as well, where multiple blasts have been heard in Srinagar. Houses and property damaged in Rajouri after continuous Pakistani artillery attacks. Loud blasts were heard in Udhampur as smoke was seen rising, followed by the air raid sirens. All of this a result of Pakistan's indiscriminate and continuous shelling of civilian areas in India. Additional District Development Commissioner, this is the latest we're getting right now. Additional District Development Commissioner Rajkumar Thapa has been killed in heavy shelling in Rajouri. This is Pakistan continuously hits civilian areas. For more on this, we have with us our special correspondent Idris Lone. Idris, to say that the situation is precarious is probably a gross understatement at this moment. We're hearing reports that Additional District Development Commissioner Rajkumar Thapa has been killed in heavy shelling in Rajouri. Of course, all of this is a direct fallout of Pakistan's indiscriminate, reckless targeting of civilian areas in India. What can you tell us?
Well, absolutely, Haim. We've just heard from the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, who has confirmed that the ADDC of the Rajouri area, who was actually present with him in an online meeting yesterday and also was accompanying the Deputy Chief Minister to the border areas just 24 hours ago. Now we've seen Pakistan shelling taking place across the line of control and various areas in northern part of Kashmir as well as in the Jammu division. In Rajouri, there has been a shelling from the Pakistani side which has hit the house of the ADDC, in which he was injured. He was shifted to the hospital where he has succumbed to his injuries. On the other hand, if we talk about Jammu, Srinagar, Udhampur and Rajouri, there have been multiple blasts that we have heard in the last 1 hour. In Srinagar, I personally live very close to the airport and I could hear at least 3 big blasts taking place in the air. It is not confirmed whether it was a drone attack or a missile attack at the moment. There is no confirmation on that. But there have been drone attacks since yesterday all across Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Army had confirmed that there were around 26 attacks during the night. And with the first light in the morning, we heard these big blasts in Srinagar. People from Udhampur have reported the same in the Jammu city as well. And some of the civilian areas have been hit in Jammu as well as in Rajouri, in which one of the government officers from Jammu and Kashmir was also killed. There is possibility that there might be few more injuries coming in, especially from the Rajouri sector, where there has been massive shelling from across the border.
Right. Well, Idris, thank you so much. You've been bringing us all the ground updates from Srinagar. Thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Please stay safe. We will, of course, continue to monitor the situation closely and come to you for more developments on this.